Just in, Professor Mgbeke don enter Nigeria to take stand for court against Senator Natasha. Welcome country people to Senate Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Put on your notification bell. E go ring once we drop updates. Make you like, comment and share our videos. Country people, una go remember the tori when e link Dr Sandra Dudu aka Professor Mgbeke to Natasha when she do one live video for the streaming. She can't talk how the suspended senator wey dey represent Kogi Central, Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan, reach out to her make dem blackmail the Senate President Godswill Akpabio. The story get as e be. At the end of the day, she come say she turn against Natasha. Natasha e come up to explain her side of the story. Even when she not talk in full, e say the woman e dey lie against her, that apparently dem don buy her make she come malign Senator Natasha because of her stand against the Senate President. Professor Mgbeke e allege say Natasha tell her say e no get any evidence against her claim say the Senate President sexually harass her. She talk so many things, and Natasha also tell am allegedly Dr Ezekwesili na nonsense person. That na why she go come out to do anything when she tell am say she don't even buy the woman off. Natasha say far from am. He say she and Mgbeke not talk anything like that, and that in due course she go respond to Professor Mgbeke. Now for inside the matter, now another person come out say Mgbeke na gone for hire, say they hire am to tarnish the character of Senator Natasha. He can't talk how Mgbeke try to procure her services, make therefore implicate Natasha and make therefore disgrace her. The matter can dey go back and forth. The next when we come here for the matter, now say the federal government don arraign Natasha to court for criminal defamation. The hunter come become the hunted. Na that stage we dey now. When the tori when e dey enter now, say the US-based Professor Mgbeke e don enter town to come take stand as one of the federal government witnesses against Senator Natasha Akpoti for court. From reliable sources, according to this news source, e say the court hearing na on June 3rd, 2025. While the tori dey say Mgbeke don come town, Senator Natasha Akpoti report come say she dey UK presently, but she don promise say she go come Nigeria ahead of the court hearing. The senator, when he grant a Facebook live on Friday, say she go definitely dey for court and say if they want to jail her, he say no problem. According to the report, he say after all, President Tinubu and Nelson Mandela, they don go jail before too. Next week, e go be hot for both ladies. And of course, people dey watch how that scenario go play out. Lots of people don make comment say federal government not supposed to involve himself for this matter because e come be like say dem dey try to silence the woman. This Professor Mgbeke, when he don arrive Nigeria so, he don dey set tongues, dey wag. Like somebody comment, he say this picture wey she take, something like selfie so, e dey show say na government top official vehicle because the headrest, coat of arms dey there. So e come be like say whoever bring this woman, they really mean business o. E come dey be like say the claim say the woman dey on government payroll come dey be like wetin correct, allegedly. Otherwise, if the woman come, why e go enter government car with government coat of arms when e dey signify say that vehicle probably na government own? Well, country people, some others dey say this na the battle of the Titan. He say this woman come in e good. He say Natasha own self don too much. Say Natasha don pass border. Another person come dey talk say make person no go get involved for battle when e no fully understand. That Mgbeke, he no know the genesis of this matter. So as she don decide to involve herself, he say fine and good. People dey believe say for her to leave her base to come Nigeria, say e dey come testify for court, e dey indicate say maybe she no dey too engaged for yonder. Because if na person when e get job, when e commit her, e no go get time for this type of waka. And some dey go spiritual. They say her mission when e come for, say e go fail. Well, that na their opinion. But the tori when e dey enter, e say Sandra Dudu, also known as Professor Mgbeke, e don come turn to take stand on June 3rd against Senator Natasha. This one now na a matter of to be or not to be. Natasha go come from abroad, come court as she talk. June 3rd, e go reveal all. Country people, na the tori wey we get, na e be this.